In this video, I'm going to look at how to create a GitHub account, how to create a new repository, and how to delete a repo, and how to generate a new token. If you've not yet subscribed, this is the time that you're supposed to subscribe to this channel. Now, let's get started. Type github.com on Google, and then it will bring you here. You hit on the first one to bring you to this page. You sign up if you don't have an account, but if you have an account, you sign in. So in this case, we're going to sign up. We're going to create a new account. So you enter your email address, and mine is focusitstudio@gmail.com. You hit on continue, and then you create a password. It will request you to create or enter a username that is available on GitHub. So you can see Focus Tech is available. You will then be requested to confirm your email. The numbers here are optional, so you can pick any number that you want. You type your repository name here. And then you enter the description. Highlight on public. And hit on create repository. Okay, it will bring you here. So what you're supposed to do is to just copy this. You need it when cloning this repository. Okay, you can save it on your notepad. Now, if this repo isn't the way you wanted it, you can hit there on settings. The way I've done it, I just want to show you how you can delete it if it has come in a way that you didn't want it. So you just scroll down and you find danger zone, and as you scroll down you see this, which is delete repository. If you enter or hit on delete repository, this repository will be deleted. This is just a reminder, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, and hit that notification bell. It is important. Now follow me closely on how to create a new token. You hit and then you go on the settings down. Okay, you scroll down. You select developer settings. Select personal access tokens, and then you hit on generate new token. Enter the description of your token, and then select the expiration date of your choice. I'll select 30 days, and then you choose on repo or highlight repo. You can also highlight delete repo. And then after that, you hit on generate token. your token is set. So what you do is you copy it and save it safely, because you'll not find it there again. So you open your notepad and paste it. That's it. So in the next video, we'll focus on how to clone your repository, configure, and how to git push. So please subscribe to this channel for more videos and updates. Thank you, God bless you, and good luck.